Dear student, today's topic is also square and square roots. Exercise 3F from R.S. Agarwal. So here, find the square root of a decimal number. So question number 1, root over 1.69. So this is decimal number 1.69. How to find the square root of this number? So first we write 1.69, and after decimal this is the pair of digit 69, and before decimal only 1. So now start division. Before decimal number 1 is the whole number, but to divide this 1 1 are 1, 1 minus 1 0. Now 2 into 1, 2 into this 1 equal to 2. Now select a digit 3, choose a digit 3 after 2. Now it is 23. So 23 into 3, 23 into 3, 3 3 are 9, and 3 2 is 6. But here it is 0. Now it is 69, comes down pair of digit. So if we choose 3, it is 23. So 23 into 3, 69, and after decimal this is 69, comes down, so point is there. So it is 3. So 23 into 3, 69. So square root of this number 1.69 equal to 1.3. Next, question number 3. Root over 156.25. Root over 156.25. So 156.25. After decimal, this is the pair of digit, and before decimal, first pair 56 and second pair there is no pair, only 1. Now start division. Divide this 1, so 1 into 1 1. Now 56 comes down, pair of digit, and multiply this number by 2. 2 1 are 2. Now, if we write 1, it is 21. So 21 into 1, 21. 21 into 2, 22. If we select 2, 22, then it is 22 into 2, 44. 23, if we write 23, after 2, it is 3, then multiply by 3. So 9 and 6, 69 is greater than 56. So it is 2. 22 into 2, 44. 56 minus 44, 12. Now the second pair after decimal 25 is there, so 25 comes down. At the same time put the decimal here, point, and multiply this 12 by 2. 12 into 2, 24. Now 24, if we write 5 here, then 245 into 5, 245 into 5, 5 into 5, 25, 5 into 4, 20, plus 2, 22, 5 2s are 10, plus 2, 12. It is 1225, same. So 1225, and the same time write 5 here. So division completed. So square root of this number is equal to 12.5. 12.5. Next, question number 6. root over 10.0489, root over 10.0489. So 10.0489. After decimal, these are the pair of digits, and before decimal only 10 pair of digit 1 0. Now start division. 3 3 are 9, 1. Then after decimal 0 4 comes down and point here. 2 times of 3 6, 2 into 3 6. Then 1, we select 1, 61 into 1, 61, 62 into 2, 4, 124, it is more than 104, so it is 1, 61, 104 minus 61, 4 minus 1, 3, now 4, it is 43, then next pair of digit 89 comes down, and 2 times of 31 is 62. Then write 7 and 4 3 8 9, 627 into 7, 4389. Now division is completed. So square root of this number 10.0489 equal to 3.17. So it is equal to 3.17. Next, question number 8. Root over 0.2916. Root over 0.2916. So 0.2916. After decimal, first pair 29, second pair 1616. Now start division. 0 0 is 0. After decimal, first pair 29 comes down, and 2 times of 0 is 0, so no need to write 0. And then 5 5 is 25, and after decimal 29 comes down, so point is there. So 5 and 5, 5 5 is 25. Then 4, 29 minus 25, 9 minus 5, 4, and second pair 16 comes down here. Now number is 416, and the same time 2 times of 5 is 10, 2 into 5 10. Now choose the number 4, and the same time right here 4, 4 4 just 16, and 4 1 just 4. So division is completed. So square root of the number 0.2916 is 0.54. So is equal to 0.54. Next, question number 9. Question number 9. Evaluate root over 3 up to 2 places of decimal. Root over 3. So find the square root of 3. 3 can be written as 3.000000. You may write any number of 0 after point. So after decimal, this is the first pair, second pair, third pair. You may write any number of 0. Now start division. Before decimal there is 3, so 1 1 0 1, 2 2 0 4 is more than 3, so 1 into 1 1. So 3 minus 1 2, and the after decimal the first pair of 0, and 1 into 2 2. Now write 7 here, 27, 27 into 7 189, 189. At the same time there is also 7.7. Now it is 200 minus 189 equal to 11. and this pair of 0 comes down here 0 0. Now the number is 1100. Now 17 into 2 34. 17 into 2 34, and after 4 choose a digit 3, and it is here 3. So 343 into 3 1029. 1029. If you select 4, then 344 into 4 more than 1100. That is why it is 343. Now subtract this. It is 17 1, and this pair of 0 comes down. Now 2 times of 173 equal to 346. Multiply this number by 2. So 2 3 is 6, 2 7 is 14, 4 carry 1, 2 1 is 2 plus 1, 3, 346. Now write 2. If you write 3, then the number product is 3463 into 3 more than this. So 3462 into 2 6924. 6924. Subtracted, it is 100. It is 176. So correct up to, your question is find evaluate root over 3 correct up to 2 places of decimal. So correct up to 2 places of decimal. Already there is 3 places of decimal number are there. So correct up to 2 places of decimal 1.73, because after 3 there is 2 which is less than 5. So no need to plus 1 here. So 1.73 equal to 1.73. So root over 3 equal to 1.73, correct up to 2 places of decimal. Two places of decimal. One more. Question number 10. Evaluate root over 2.8. Root over 2.8. So 2.8. Now consider any number of 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, so on. And after decimal, first pair of digits, second pair, third pair, and so on. Now start division. 1 1 are 1. So 1, 2 minus 1, 1. Then after decimal 8 0 first pair, and then there is point. Now 2 1 are 2. Now write 6. 26 into 6, 156. 156. At the same time, here is also 6. Now 180 minus 56, there is 4. There is 2. Now next pair of digits 0 0. So 16 into 2, 32. Now select another digit 7. So 327 into 7, 327 into 7, 2289. 2289. At the same time, there is also 7. Now subtract it. It is 1. There is also 1. 1. Another pair of digits 0 0. Now 167 into 2. 167 into 2. 334. 334. Now write 3 here. There is also 3. and it is 10029. 3343 into 3 equal to 10,029. Then subtract it, it is 1701. Now there is already 3 places of decimal, but the question is find the square root of 2.8 correct up to 2 places of decimal. That means after decimal only 2 digit. So after 2 digit, this is the third term, there is 3. So no need to plus 1 here. So 1.667 is the correct answer. So 2.8 root over 2.8 equal to 1.67, correct up to 2 places of decimal. Next, question number 12. Find the length of each side of a square whose area is equal to the area of a rectangle of length 13.6 meter and breadth 3.4 meter. So for the rectangle, length equal to 13.6 meter and breadth equal to 3.4 meter. So area of the rectangle, length into breadth, square meter or square unit. So 13.6 into 3.4 meter square equal to 46.24 meter square. So this is the area of the rectangle as well as this is the area of the square, because it is given area of the rectangle and area of the square are same. So area of the square equal to 46.24 meter square. So length of each side of the square equal to root over area of the square, that is root over 46.24 meter, that is equal to 6.8 meter. Here the square root of the number 46.24. Thank you.